What's up guys, Trey here with ExtremeTerrain.com, and today we're checking out this Typhoon Series 14-inch dual spare tire third brake light for the 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JKs. This is going to be perfect for those of you looking to enhance your visibility and give your Wrangler a unique, customized appearance. This third brake light features a bold dual LED ring design that sits within your spare tire, providing excellent illumination and adding a modern, custom look to your Wrangler. It provides visibility for the drivers behind you, especially in those low light conditions, ensuring safety while you're on the road or out there on the trail. This LED offers a bright, reliable lighting with minimal power consumption, making them a durable and efficient option. Its universal fit allows you to work with a range of wheel tires and setups, offering flexibility for Jeep owners who have aftermarket upgrades. Overall, it just looks really cool to have a dual ring glow behind your spare tire, adding a nice customized touch. This third brake light is built with durability in mind. The rings are housed in this tough, weather-resistant casing that can withstand the elements, ensuring long-lasting performance. The LED lights are rated for extended use, and the entire unit is designed to handle the rugged lifestyle that Jeep owners demand. As far as pricing goes on this third brake light, it comes right around the $100 range, offering an affordable way to enhance the safety and the style of your Wrangler without breaking the bank and getting a customized look. Now, installing this third brake light behind your spare tire is going to be super simple. So on our difficulty meter, we rate this a simple 1 out of 3 wrenches, and it should take you 30 minutes or less of your time to install. It's going to mount directly behind your spare tire using the existing spare tire carrier and the wiring for your factory third brake light. Just plug in this splitter from your third brake light and the power runs straight to this dual LED. The process is simple, no cutting or drilling is going to be required, and it can typically be completed in 30 minutes like I mentioned earlier. Now, let's see exactly how this goes on with an install video from one of our ExtremeTerrain customers.
The tools I need for this project are a ratchet wrench and a 3/4 inch socket to remove your spare tire, and if your spare tire has a locking lug nut, you're going to need the key, and to remove the bolts behind your third spare tire, you're going to need a 7/64 Allen wrench. Okay, today we're installing the Typhoon 14-inch dual ring spare tire third brake light on my 2017 Jeep Wrangler Sport Edition. So our first step is to remove the spare tire by removing these 3 lug nuts. Okay, now you take off your spare tire. Okay, next we're going to open up your tailgate so we can access these 2 bolts back here. So we can take this plastic piece off and access this wire here connected to the light. Now with this piece unscrewed, you can take this off, detach these wires, and now you have this separate with your wire. Okay, now you're going to take your new taillight, and where it says top, you're going to make sure that is aligned on the top. And because we have a backup camera, we're going to remove that and put it on top of our new taillight. Now we're going to attach our wires from the Jeep and from our new taillight. And we're going to feed this wire up through so it comes through all nicely with these other wires. these. then you're going to take your other taillight from up top and connect it back with the wire with your new spare tire here.
Yeah.
Like that. Now you're going to reattach your taillight with all these new wires connected. Now you're going to remount your spare tire. You might want to grab a friend to help hold everything in place.
All right, that's gonna wrap up our review and install of this Typhoon Series 14-inch dual ring spare tire third brake light for the 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JKs. And for all things Jeep, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.